Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Streamlab HQ. So in today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to install a very popular and trending Diggz Xenon build. And this particular version is CGMake version 6.2 build. So it's going to be a very straightforward tutorial. I'll just walk you through the process of installing this build on your Kodi app. So after the installation of Kodi app from the Kodi website, this is how the interface normally looks like. So the first thing you need to do if you want to install this CGMake version 6.2 build is to go to settings, go to systems, and you go to add-on option here, add-on options. Okay, you have to check this box. You have to enable this unknown sources. Click yes. After doing this, you go back to the home page and go to file manager. Okay, you can see we don't have any source. It's just our profile directory, and you see add source option. So I'm going to click on add source option. You're going to double click it rather. Then we don't have any yet. So I'm going to double click this too. So we're going to enter a URL and from this URL we'll be pulling our source from this particular URL. So make sure you enter this URL the same way I do, so you don't make any mistake, or so that there won't be any error in your own installation. So the URL is https diggz1.me /diggz. https diggz1.me /diggz repo, and click OK. So this is the name that we're going to use for this media source. So don't forget, you can also edit this if you want, but I always like leaving mine as Diggz repo. So you click OK. Good. So it's now on our source. So we have to just go back to the home page, and we're going to click on add-ons. So we're going to install this add-on from a zip file first, then after which you'll be installing another add-on from a repository. So to install this from the zip file, we just need to click on this, and we select that media source that we already added the URL. So the name is Diggz repo. So we click on it. I'm going to choose this zip file and allow it to install. Good. Diggz repository add-on installed. So we're going to click on install from repository. Okay, so I'm going to choose Diggz repository. Okay, so we have a bunch of options here, and we're going for this program add-ons. So when you get to this page, you choose program add-ons. Okay, and we can see there are so many add-ons here, so many of them, but right now we're going to be using Chef Omega Wizard. So we have to install this, and you click install here. Okay, it has these additional add-ons, so we're going to click OK here and allow it to finish installing. So it's downloading and installing. It's installing already, so we just have to allow it to finish with the installation before we proceed. So I'll have to pause this video for a while and allow it to be completed first. Good. So we have finished installing the Diggz Chef Wizard add-on. So we're going to close this, and we're going to open this Chef Omega Wizard I've installed. So they'll be suggesting okay, they want us to install this now, but no, we're not going to do it now. Click on remind letter. So we have to just open this Chef Omega wizard, and we have a few options here. We can see build menu, maintenance, debris and tracts, notification settings. So remember, the purpose of this tutorial is to show you how to install the CG Meg version 6.2 build. So we're going to choose this build menu and look at it here, CG Meg version 6.2, CG Meg version 6.2 build. So we're going to click this wizard is ready to install. Continue please. So it's a 371 MB build file, so we're going to allow it to finish installing, and after that I think that's all. It's basically pretty simple, and it's something you can always do by yourself. And in case you're having any issues, in case you're facing any challenge, mind trying out this, just come and comment under the video and I'll help you fix it. And I don't think you'll be having an issue if you follow the processes I showed you in this tutorial. So make sure you don't skip any part of the video, else you might be missing something out, because I made it to be very straightforward and very concise as possible. So and again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so that as soon as I post new builds, you'll be able to see them and update the ones you have in your Kodi app already. So I'll pause the video now till the download is completed.